So what do you see interest rates heading for the next 12 months?
Well, I think if I knew where rates were going, everyone would be rich and we'd all make a lot of money. But the market general consensus, what's factored into the market is that they think there might be another two rate cuts before the end of the year. Um,
Okay.
there's a lot of factors that go into how interest rates end up, and how they are factored in terms of reducing or extending.
Exactly.
So you've got inflation,
Yeah.
you've got policy, you've got international affairs and things that are happening in the world. There's a lot of variables that will impact that interest rate. Or the base rate, the Bank of England base rate.
Yeah.
And then also when it comes to lending, it also gets determined by the lender, their cost of funds, the deal that they're funding, the asset class, the risk, the borrower, the length. There's a lot of factors that in that make up the rate which a lender will charge.
Wow.
But typically, it will follow in line with the money markets. So
Exactly.
we all can see.
It's such a sensitive market,
Yeah.
UK market. I would like, this is like a big Wall Street in my eyes. But what's the residential and normal mortgage interest at the moment?
At the moment, you're depending on the leverage
Yeah.
and depending on who the borrower is and where they're located. I would say,
Yeah.
for example, a UK client, straightforward buy to let, you're looking at getting rates at 75% leverage, probably about 5.2 fixed for 5 years.
5.2, yeah.
What's happening is that a lot of lenders are releasing products which have low interest rates, much lower than 5%,
Yeah.
but they would increase the arrangement fee. And what that allows for a borrower is to allow, especially for the low yielding assets in London, if the income can't service the debt because the rate is 5%,
Yeah.
they can very cleverly reduce that rate to mid 3%, 3.5,
Wow.
increase that arrangement fee up from 2% to 5, 6, 7%. So it's the same
It's
over
a
the 5
very,
years,
yeah.
but it allows the income to service that debt.